All right, guys, 2023 Escalade. Somebody else put a Flowmaster 40 series on it, and the problem they're having, it's droning a lot inside. So they watch our videos on YouTube and said, we're coming to the experts. But I'm gonna let you guys hear it before, so you guys can see what it sounds like with a Flowmaster 40 series. And still got the stock resonators on it too. Give a guess? So it sounds clean. You guys can see again. Nice deep clean tone. Again. Here's sound decibels, go ahead. Right at 87, but the problem with it is drones a lot on the highway. Again. So we're gonna fix it for them, hopefully, by putting in a Borla S-type muffler, part number 400843. So stay tuned, guys. We'll install it and let you guys know. Hopefully this will make them a lot happier. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, 2021 Escalade. I love the front grille on these cars. I love the look of it. So fat. Like mafiosa. We rented it when we went to visit family. Really enjoyed the car. Everybody was getting out of our way. I don't know why. Anyways, cat there, cat there. Why isn't there a single there? Then there's the air tank for the air ride. Then there's the Borla S-type we just installed right there instead of the Flowmaster 40. And we added a hanger. Shame on you, other muffler shop. Then it wires out the back. And there's the resonator there, and there's a resonator there. Part number on that is 400843. As you can see right there, that's the Borla S-type. There'll be a link in the description and on our website at exhaustaddicts.com. And then there's the back of it. All looks the same, like nothing happened. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. And there's the Flowmaster 40 series that was on it that we took off right there. Everybody's different, guys. So some people love Flowmaster. Some people don't like it. Usually we'll go with Borla when people complain about Flowmaster. It's a little bit tamer, cleaner tone, especially on the inside. Flowmaster has a tendency to be a little bit louder inside compared to Borla. Borla's more outside noise than inside noise. Anyways, stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Borla S-type on an Escalade. A lot quieter. Look at it. He's happy.
Yes.
That's the noise, right?
Yes, that's what I was looking for.
Give a guess. Now it sounds like an Escalade.
Yes.
You know, nothing crazy.
Yes.
Yeah, the Flowmaster a little bit too loud for it. Again. That sounds good. It's clean. Borla S-type. Again. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. We're right at 90. One more. That's perfect. Go ahead and back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. 3560 Dickerson Pike. This is our shop. There's that sexy Escalade. I've always loved the body style on the new ones. They did them so right, you know. A friend of mine brought the V1. I drove it yesterday. Have you drove the V yet? Don't. Yeah. He'll make you want to buy one. Don't. Again? One more. Yeah, it's quiet. It's not crazy loud. Still got the resonators on it. So if you really want to hear the sound of the Borla, you take the resonators off. Let you guys hear on the inside. ...2019 Escalade with Borla S-type muffler only. Muffler swap. I showed you guys the part number. You can order on our website at exhaustaddicts.com. They also sell it in a kit if you want the whole kit. Here we go. Let's see what she sounds like when he takes off. Traffic galore today. Look at this, guys. This is Nashville now. It was never this busy before. This is crazy. That's what happens when you're a hot destination. That's perfect. It's not too loud, it's not crazy. Just clean, deep tone. What do you think, man? We just did a muffler delete for. We did a muffler delete and I hooked him up with a tip too, so it came out clean. Nice, I like it. Rev it one more time. Mustafa, go! He's one of our big fans, so we appreciate him coming down, man. Enjoy it, bro. AC compressor's going out, so that's getting fixed. That's what you're hearing. But who cares? Exhaust is more important. Sounding good is better than the stupid AC. I love it. That sounds clean. That's good. I like it. Guys, we got a sexy 2018 Audi S7 here at Exhaust Addicts. Check this beautiful baby out. We just fully straight piped it and added some sexy black tips to it. There we go. Listen to this beast. Oh. You can't beat that sound. No amount of mufflers beat that down. What do you guys think of it? That sounds sexy. You like it? Let's see if it gives us a sexy drive off. Here we go. Pedal to the metal, baby. Watch this thing fly now. I think he's happy. All the way from Illinois. That pop is amazing. Enjoy, guys. All that Exhaust Addicts. Thank you.